Greeting, dear friend. Have you ever woken up and wondered, what now? The kids are grown, the job is long behind you, and the days stretch out, quiet and slow. But what if I told you that this chapter, this very moment, could be the most vibrant, joyful, and passionate of your life? Stay with me, because in this video, we'll uncover hobbies that don't just fill your time, they fill your soul. Take a moment, won't you? Close your eyes if you feel comfortable, and simply breathe. Feel the warmth of this moment, the quiet hum of life around you. Perhaps you're sitting in your favorite armchair, a cup of tea steaming beside you, or maybe you're gazing out at a familiar garden. In this precious time we share, I want to talk about something truly magical, something that has the power to rekindle the very essence of who you are, something that can paint your days with vibrant new colors. We're going to explore the wonderful world of hobbies, not just as pastimes, but as powerful tools for joy, connection, and profound personal growth, especially in these golden years. Stay with me, because what we're about to uncover might just ignite a forgotten spark within you. Welcome back, cherished friends, to Elderly Life Lessons. It is always such a privilege to share these moments with you, to explore the beautiful tapestry of life as we navigate its later chapters. Today, our conversation turns to a topic that holds immense power to enrich our lives in ways we might not have fully imagined: the magic of hobbies. When we think of hobbies, perhaps our minds wander to familiar images: knitting by the fire, tending to a garden, or solving a crossword puzzle. And while these are indeed wonderful pursuits, the world of hobbies is so much vaster, so much more diverse, and so much more profoundly impactful than we often give it credit for. For many of us, as we gracefully step into our 60s and beyond, the rhythm of life often shifts. The demands of careers may lessen, the bustling energy of raising a family might mellow, and suddenly, we find ourselves with a precious gift: time. How we choose to fill this time can profoundly shape our well-being, our happiness, and even our very sense of purpose. Let us consider for a moment the very essence of what a hobby truly is. It is not a chore, nor is it an obligation. A hobby, at its heart, is a chosen activity, pursued for pure enjoyment, for the sheer pleasure it brings to our soul. It is an act of self-love, a commitment to nurturing our inner world. And in these golden years, when the world around us might seem to speed up, or perhaps slow down in unexpected ways, having a passion project, a creative outlet, or a stimulating pursuit can be an anchor, a source of unwavering joy. One of the most profound benefits of embracing hobbies in later life is the incredible boost they offer to our mental well-being. Think about the joy of learning something new. Perhaps you've always wanted to learn to play a musical instrument, the piano, the guitar, or even a humble harmonica. The act of learning, of grappling with new concepts, of mastering a new skill, keeps our minds sharp and agile. It challenges us in gentle yet powerful ways, building new neural pathways and fostering a sense of accomplishment that is truly invigorating. It's like a wonderful exercise for our brains, keeping them flexible and vibrant. Or perhaps you've always harbored a secret desire to paint, to capture the beauty of the world on canvas. The act of creation, of translating an inner vision into a tangible form, can be incredibly therapeutic. It allows us to express emotions, to explore our inner landscapes, and to find a voice for feelings that words alone might not convey. Beyond the cognitive benefits, hobbies are remarkable architects of emotional resilience. Life, in its beautiful complexity, will inevitably present us with challenges, with moments of sadness or uncertainty. In these times, having a beloved hobby can be a sanctuary, a place of refuge where we can retreat and find solace. Imagine losing yourself in the intricate stitches of a quilting project, the rhythmic turning of clay on a potter's wheel, or the quiet contemplation of a challenging jigsaw puzzle. These activities demand our focus, drawing us away from worries and anxieties. Even if just for a short time, they offer a sense of control, a small corner of the world where we can shape and create, providing a powerful antidote to feelings of helplessness. They remind us that Even amidst life's storms, there is beauty to be created and peace to be found. There's the incredible power of connection that hobbies can foster. Many hobbies are inherently social, inviting us into communities of like-minded individuals. Think of joining a book club, a walking group, a community choir, or even a local bridge club. These groups offer not just an opportunity to pursue a shared interest, but also to forge new friendships, to share laughter, and to engage in stimulating conversations. Loneliness can be a quiet companion for some as they age, but hobbies provide a bridge, a gentle invitation to step out and connect with others. Sharing a passion creates an instant bond, a common language, and a wonderful foundation for meaningful relationships. Even if your hobby is solitary, like writing or painting, sharing your creations with others, perhaps through an online forum or a local art show, can lead to unexpected connections and a sense of belonging. The joy of showing your grandchild a knitted blanket you made, or sharing stories from your gardening triumphs with a neighbor, strengthens existing bonds and creates new ones. Let's delve deeper into some specific types of hobbies and the unique gifts they offer. For those who find solace and joy in the natural world, gardening is a truly transformative hobby. It connects us to the earth, to the rhythm of the seasons, and to the wonder of growth. The act of nurturing a seed into a vibrant plant, of tending to flowers and vegetables, provides a profound sense of purpose and accomplishment. It is a gentle exercise, fostering flexibility and strength, and the fresh air and sunshine are invaluable for our physical health. Beyond the physical, there is a deep spiritual satisfaction in gardening, in witnessing the miracles of nature unfold before our eyes. It teaches us patience, resilience, and the beauty of continuous renewal. For those with a creative spark, the possibilities are endless. Painting, drawing, sculpting, pottery, writing poetry, storytelling, playing a musical instrument, these activities tap into a wellspring of self-expression. They allow us to communicate in ways that transcend words, to explore our inner landscapes, and to bring beauty into the world. You don't need to be a master artist or a virtuoso musician to find profound joy in these pursuits. The process itself is the reward, the journey of discovery, the satisfaction of creating something unique, something that springs from your own heart and hands. Imagine the pride in framing a painting you've created, or sharing a poem that expresses a deeply held feeling. These acts of creation are testaments to our enduring vitality and our capacity for wonder. What about hobbies that engage our minds in a more analytical way? For those who enjoy a mental challenge, activities like chess, bridge, jigsaw puzzles, Sudoku, or learning a new language can be incredibly stimulating. These pursuits demand focus, problem-solving skills, and strategic thinking, all of which contribute to maintaining cognitive function. The satisfaction of solving a complex puzzle, of outmaneuvering an opponent in a game, or of successfully conversing in a new language is immensely gratifying. It reminds us that our minds remain sharp and capable, ready for new intellectual adventures. Physical hobbies, too, offer a wealth of benefits. Gentle walking, yoga, tai chi, swimming, or even dancing can be incredibly enjoyable ways to stay active and maintain our physical health. These activities improve flexibility, balance, and strength, contributing to our overall well-being and independence. They can also be wonderful opportunities for social interaction, whether it's joining a walking club or attending a dance class. The joy of movement, of feeling our bodies alive and capable, is a profound gift. And let's not forget the simple pleasure of a quiet stroll through a park, noticing the changing leaves, the bird song, the gentle rhythm of nature. Even these gentle forms of movement are powerful hobbies that nourish both body and soul. Now you might be thinking, but where do I start? I haven't had a hobby in years, and that is perfectly understandable. Life has a way of sweeping us up in its currents, and sometimes our personal passions get set aside. The wonderful news is that it is never, ever too late to discover a new passion or rekindle an old one. Begin by reflecting on what truly brings you joy. What activities did you love as a child before the responsibilities of adulthood took over? What have you always secretly wished you had time to try? Perhaps you admired a friend's beautiful pottery, or were fascinated by a neighbor's intricate wood carvings. Let your imagination wander freely. There are no wrong answers here. Consider your interests. Do you love stories? Then perhaps writing, joining a book club, or even creating your own oral histories could be a wonderful hobby. Are you drawn to beauty, exploring photography, learning about art history, or engaging in floral arrangement might be perfect. Do you enjoy working with your hands? Knitting, crocheting, woodworking, or even model building could bring immense satisfaction. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try a few different things. Many community centers, libraries, and senior organizations offer introductory classes or workshops that allow you to sample various activities without a huge commitment. Think of it as a delightful exploration, an adventure into new possibilities. You might surprise yourself. Perhaps you'll discover a hidden talent you never knew you possessed, or unearth a passion that brings you unexpected fulfillment. And remember, the goal is not perfection. The goal is joy. It's about the process, the exploration, the gentle unfolding of your unique abilities and interests. There's no need to strive for professional mastery unless that's truly what brings you happiness. Embrace the beginner's mind, the curiosity of a child, and simply allow yourself to play. The beauty of a hobby lies in its ability to be a source of pure, unadulterated pleasure, free from judgment or external pressures. Another important aspect of embracing hobbies is the flexibility they offer. You can engage with them at your own pace, on your own terms. Some days you might feel energized and spend hours immersed in your chosen activity. Other days you might prefer a shorter, more gentle engagement. The beauty is that it is entirely up to you. There's no boss to please, no deadline to meet, just the quiet satisfaction of engaging in something you love. This autonomy, this freedom to choose, is a precious gift in our later years. Consider also the incredible mental and emotional benefits of what some might call mindful hobbies. Activities that require focused attention, like intricate needlework, assembling a complex puzzle, or even simply observing nature with intention, can be incredibly calming and meditative. They draw us into the present moment, quieting the constant chatter of our minds and offering a sense of peace and tranquility. In a world that often feels rushed and demanding, these moments of mindful engagement are invaluable. Finally, dear friends, remember that embracing hobbies is a profound act of self-care. It is a declaration that your happiness, your growth, and your well-being matter. It is a testament to the idea that life, in all its stages, is meant to be lived vibrantly, with curiosity and with joy. These golden years are not a time for diminishing returns, but rather a time for blossoming, for exploring new facets of ourselves, and for cultivating a deeper appreciation for the simple yet profound pleasures of existence. Life after 60 is not an ending, it is a return to yourself. So whether you pick up a brush, a book, or a bird guide, whether you write, dance, sing, plant, or paint, do it with your whole heart, because this is your time, and the spark inside you, it's never gone out. It's only waiting to ignite. So I invite you, gently and with warmth, to open your heart and mind to the possibility of a new hobby, or perhaps to rekindle a long-forgotten flame. What is that whisper within you, urging you to try something new, to explore a hidden passion? Listen to it, embrace it, for in that embrace lies the potential for renewed energy, deeper connections, and a profound sense of purpose that will illuminate your days with unparalleled joy. We're so glad you joined us today. If something touched your heart or sparked a new idea, share it in the comments. We'd really love to hear from you. Your words mean a lot to us and help keep this channel growing. And if this video is helpful for you, please give it a like, share it with someone who might need it, and don't hesitate to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to spending time with you again in the next video.